Maria, a talented artist, won first place in a reality show competition and received a Rm300,000 prize. She decided to invest most of her winnings in a financial institution, earning 3.35% interest compounded monthly. Setting aside a portion for personal life, her goal is to use the investment income to open her own art gallery. After 7 years, her investment is worth Rm250,594.51. For question A, how much of her prize money did Maria initially invest? For this question, we use the formula of S equals P times 1 plus I to the power of N. As already given in question, which is Rm250,594 and 51 cents. M also given, which is 12. N is 12 multiplied 7, which is 84. And I equals to 3.35% over 12. Pull all information in formula, which is 250,594.51 equals P times 1 plus 0.0335 over 12 to the power of 84. And the answer is 198,276 and 57 cents. Question B. What was the accumulated interest over the 7-year period? For this question, we use the formula of I equals S minus P, which is I equals 250,594 and 51 cents minus 198,276 and 57 cents. And the answer is 52,317 and 94 cents.
Question C. How long did it take for Maria to earn Rm300,000 for her initial investment? So, when in question, which is Rm300,000, PRN1098, 276, 57 cents, K 3.35%, M already given, which is 12, S equal P1 plus I, and put all information in a formula, which is 300,000 equal 1,098, 276, 57 cents, and 1 plus 0.0335 over 12 and 12t. 300,000 over 1,098, 276, 57 cents equal 1 plus 0.0335 over 12 and 12t. So you can get 1.5130 equal 1.00279, and then log 1.5130 equal 12t, log 1.00279. So log 1.5130 over log 1.00279 equal 12t. So you can get 148.0978 equal 12t. Lastly, you can get answer 20 years. Question D. What nominal rate compounded quarterly would result in the 5-year period to an Rm300,000? Hence, find the periodic rate of the investment. This question using formula S equal P1 plus I, and put all information in formula, which is 300,000 equal 1,098, 276, 57 cents, and 1 plus K over 4 and 20. 300,000 over 1,098, 276, 57 cents equal 1 plus K over 4 and 20. So, you can get 1.5130 equal 1 plus K over 4 and 20. 1.5130 equal 20 equal 1 plus K over 4. So 1.0209 equal 1 plus K over 4. 1.0209 minus 1 equal K over 4. And then 0.0209 equal K over 4. 0.02090 multiplied by 4 equal K. So the final answer you can get is 8.36%. The next question is using formula I equal K over M. 0.0836 over 4. So you can get answer 2.09.
For case study 2, question 1. We have to calculate the future value of an investment over 5 years and then determine the monthly repayment of a loan. So first, we are given an annual interest rate of 5% compounded quarterly. To get the interest per period, we're going to have to use the formula I equal to K over M. So I equal to 0.05 over 4 is 0.0125. Next, we find the total number of compounding periods. Using the formula N equal to M times T, it's going to be N equal 4 times 5 equal to 20 periods. Now we use the future value formula, which is S equal P1 plus I power of n. Then we take the principal, which is 150,000 ringgit, multiply it by 1 plus 0.0125 power of 20. This gives us a future value of 192,830 ringgit and 56 cents. After that, we find the remaining amount to be financed by subtracting the future value from the original amount. So, 150,000 ringgit minus 192,830 ringgit and 56 cents equal to 130,769 ringgit and 44 cents. This is the amount that will be used for the loan repayment calculation. For the monthly repayment, the loan has a new annual interest rate of 6.5% compounded monthly. So, to get the monthly interest, we are going to use the I equal to K over M formula, and that will be 0.065 over 12. The repayment period is 8 years, so to find the number of payments is to use formula N equal to M times T, which is 12 months times 8, giving us 96 payments. Using the annuity formula, which is A equal to R, 1 minus 1 plus I power negative N over I, and substituting all the values to find the value of R, which represents the monthly repayment. It will be 130,769 ringgit and 44 cents equal to R, 1 minus 1 plus 0.065 divided by 12 power negative 96 over 0.065 divided by 12. The final answer is 1,750 ringgit and 51 cents per month. Now moving on to question 2. This question asks us to determine how many years an investment needs to grow. We start with the down payment, which is 10% of 158,000 ringgit. So 158,000 ringgit times 10% gives us 15,800 ringgit. The interest rate for this part is we need to use I equal to K over M, which is 0.08 divided by 4. The answer is 2% per year. Using the future value of an annuity formula, S equal to R, 1 plus I power N minus 1 over I, we substitute all the values, and that's going to be 15,800 ringgit equal to 1,178 ringgit and 4 cents, 1 plus 0.02 power of n minus 1 over 0.02. And after simplifying, we reach the equation of 1.2682 equal 1.02 power of n. To solve for n, we use logarithms. We take log on both sides, and that is log 1.2682 equal n log 1.02, and divide it to n equal log 1.2682 divided by log 1.02, and we get the final answer. It will take 12 years for the investment to reach the required amount.
Izzul took a loan to pay the balance of the cost of the apartment. The loan was for 25 years and was to be paid monthly at 6% compounded monthly rate. Question B1. Find the monthly payment for the loan. First, we have to find the loan balance. So the loan's balance equals to RM 158,000 minus RM 50,800 equals RM 142,000. I'm using the formula A equals R, open bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n, all divided by I, close bracket. Now, we have to find I, so I equals K divided by M. The answer is 0.06 divided by 12. Next, to find N equals M times T. The answer equals to 12 times 25 equal 300. So, here I'm using RM 142,200 to A equals R that we need to find, times open bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.06 to the power of negative 300, which is negative n, all divided by 0.06, close bracket. So, we use the formula and the info in the calculator, and we will get the answer with shift solve, and the answer for R is RM 916.20. Question B2. If Izzul missed his 5-month payment, how much should he pay? On 6th payment, I'm using the formula of S equal R times open bracket 1 plus 5 to the power of n minus 1 all divided by I, close bracket. So, S6 equals RM 900. 16.20 open bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided 12 to the power of 25 minus 1 all divided by 0.06 divided 12, close bracket. Using the formula and the info in the calculator, and we will get the answer with shift solve, and the answer for S6 is RM 24,333.46.